In this video, we're gonna writing query for arrays. Let's say I have item property, we have a products collection, and we have a QTY property and a colors array. And we also have sizes array, and we also have dimensions array. Let's say you are building on e-commerce application. This is the product data, and you have been assigned a task to fetch all the products of a red and black color. How will you write the query? Products collection. I can use the find method. I have to write query on colors. All I need to provide red and black, right? So you can provide in the form of array. Here in the filtering criteria, please give me all the products with red and black color. Let's see, we have this product with red and black. It should be this one, not a blank black. We also have this with red and black. Let's run it. I think my MongoDB is not running, so I need to start my MongoDB server. Let's connect to the local MongoDB. Now you can see that I have product with red and black color. It is giving me product with red and black. The both combination should be matched. If I use black and green, it's gonna give me this product with black and green color. So you can see that I got this one, black and green. What about black? If I only mention the black, it's gonna give me this one, and this one. I think, let me run it again. For the black, I should use this simple without an array. Now it will be considered as a black. That looks good. I got this record, this one red black. I also got this one red black yellow. I also got black and green. So this is how you will write query on single array, right? This one. Now I have to find all the products with 2XL sizes. Product that have 2XL sizes. So I can write the query db.getCollection and products dot find product with 2XL sizes should be 2XL. The same query I ran for the black, you can do that here. So I got the 2XL product, this one. I got 2XL product, this one. Let me comment that code. Now I want to find the products between 14 or 20 dimension. Let's say db.getCollection products dot find dimensions. The dimension should be between 14 or 20. I can say greater than 20 or less than 14. So if any value matched here, it's gonna return. Right now 14 and 20, like less than 14, this should be returned, or greater than 20. This one will also return less than 20, greater than 20, yes, greater than 20, greater than 20. I think I will get 1 2 3 4 5, all 5 products. What is the issue? Now you can see here is the first and the second product. I think for dimension is greater than 20 and less than 14. Yes, 12 is less than 14 and 30 is greater than 20. Let's look at the another case. It's less than 14, 10. Yes, 40 is greater than 20. But you can use the same syntax if you want to do multiple filtering criteria on arrays. What you can do, you can use the elemMatch operator. elemMatch, I can say dimensions. You can run the same query, this one. Let's see what will happen. I can comment this code. Let's do it again. Oh yeah, here I have to add the dimensions. I put the wrong syntax. It should be elemMatch. Greater than 20, elemMatch, and less than 14. Greater than 20 or less than 14. Both or all values should be matched in this criteria. What do I mean by? Like 50 and 60 does not match with this criteria. Like the value should be 19, 18, 17, 16 or 15. It will accept both these values, 19 and 15. Let's run the project and see what will happen. Now you can see that I put the value should be, dimension should be greater than 14, like it should be 15, 16, 17, 9, 18, 19 and 20, not a 20. Like the dimension should be in this range, like 15, 16, 17, 18 and the 19. This will work. Let's say if I set the dimension 15 to 16, so I'm gonna get two records, this one and this one. Here I got 15, 16 and 19, 15. What will happen if I run this query? Let's see what will happen. Let's use the same condition for this one, greater than 14 and less than 20. You can see the difference. It will match either this value or this value. If you are not using elemMatch, it's gonna work as a OR operator, like let's say greater than 15. Yes, this dimension is greater than 15, less than 20. Yeah, both are in the criteria. 12 is greater than 14, no. Less than 20. Yeah, 30 matched. Here, greater than 14 or less than 20, like 40 matched, right? If you need a condition in OR way like this one, either this value satisfied or this value satisfied, you use without elemMatch. You use filter without elemMatch. Let's say if you want to match both conditions, then you need elemMatch. Now I would like to write the query for products and find. You can also use the size operator, sizes. Here I can say size should be 2. Give me the products that have 2 sizes, right? Which product has 2 sizes? This one. I think I will get only one record, right? Let's see. Oh, get rid of this one. Let's run the project. Oh, I get only one record. Here we got the product with red color, with black color. Find product with 2 XL sizes. Here I use the OR clause, something like that, without elemMatch filter. If this condition satisfied, it's gonna pick the record, or if this condition satisfied, it's gonna pick the record. Here I'm telling please match both the conditions. Both filters should be matched. This is how you will write queries on arrays in MongoDB.